Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we are creating soft, cinematic tones using color lookup. Begin by opening your image and setting neutral exposure. Soft, cinematic tones focus on smooth transitions and gentle contrast. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and select a LUT that subtly shifts colors without harsh contrast. Lower the opacity to keep the look delicate. Add a curves adjustment layer and slightly lift the shadows while softening highlights. This creates a smooth, cinematic feel. Use color balance to add mild warmth to highlights or coolness to shadows. Zoom in to check